Friends, good evening. Today it is 14th March 2022, remarkable day, and the time is 8 o'clock. Okay, we'll go to our PPT, and from there we'll start. Okay, before that, we'll go to our social media. Okay, so this was the first message at 9:17 to all my followers. Weekly game changer number. This is the buy number. This is the sell number. Okay, and for futures and for Bank Nifty. And always remember, year after you can follow this. Whenever the bullish number and the bearish number, the width is very small. If you see on Nifty spot, this is very small. It's only 8 points, but still market respected this. And whenever you see a very minimal width, it means it is going to bust one side. And today it was a trend change date, and it has given fire, fuel to the fire, and then it was rocking today. And every time I used to mention that whenever there is a trend change date, you will see minimum 250 points in Nifty and 750 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, you can go back to my earlier videos and you can check that. And today Nifty did 250 points and Bank Nifty did more than 750 points. Okay, so this is now our Bhagavad Gita for this coming week. And Nifty, Bank Nifty did very well today. And this was the first message to my followers. And this one, seriously, I don't understand how, the big technical analyst, so-called big technical analyst, they comes out with a view on Friday night after seeing, the Singapore Nifty, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq. They will come out with the market view on Saturday morning, saying that market will open gap down. And suddenly on Monday morning, after seeing, the blue tick or the green tick in Dow Jones and S&P, they will again change their view. They will say, Putin and Zelensky had a meeting in the night on Sunday night, and he was there. He was present on that meeting also. They discussed something, and the market will open green, so you buy. I seriously don't understand what kind of technical analysts these people are, and more than 1 lakh people are following these guys, and how they seriously, God only knows what kind of technical analysis they do. And I really feel pity for this, the traders or the investors, those who follows these guys. See, why when you want to trade in Nifty, Indian market, why you want to watch all this crap in the night and trade based on that? It is useless. Just 9:07, watch the market. Let's see where the market opens, and then take the trade. Why you are changing? Saturday morning one view, Sunday morning one view, Monday morning one view, Monday afternoon one view, and today after seeing Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P, again there will be change in the view. God only knows how these people are doing it. So okay, anyway, we will not talk about all that crap. Let's go to this was one of the beautiful thing which was commented by somebody, but I really liked it. Singapore Nifty, total population of Singapore is 47 lakhs. People of India watching Singapore Nifty SGX every night is 75 lakhs. Why you are burning your midnight oil? Seeing after taking positions. See, if you are taking position and if you don't have conviction, close the position, go home. Who is stopping you? Come tomorrow morning, take the new position. Market will give you enough and more opportunity. Enough and more opportunity. Why you want to waste your midnight oil? Suppose if you are taking any position in the night and after seeing Singapore Nifty, anyway, you are not going to sleep. If the position is going to reverse after seeing the so-called Singapore Nifty, if it is in minus and you are in long in the evening and in Nifty, you are going to lose your sleep. For that, you don't need to hold any position. Close the position at 3:30. We can take the new position next day morning. God only knows all this. Anyway, I don't want to talk about this. Let's go to the PPT straight away and we'll discuss that. Okay, so this was our observation for 14th to 18th, and I made 3 videos last week. So kindly don't miss the video, even if you miss the weekly observation video also. That's not it's going to hurt me. But watch the stock and dates video. It's very, very essential. Please watch it. Okay. So now clearly mentioned 14th March is the third important trend change date for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And the first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. Enough. No need to watch Singapore Nifty or any other crap. This is more than enough. And inside of our pattern, which was clearly explained in the weekly observation video, and it was rocked. Now you can go back and watch the video. It was rocked, and this is what I've said that 2nd March high and low and 11th March high and low. Okay, the Friday high and low was at the same price, so it is going to break out big time. And this guy was phenomenal. I've already told you, whenever my futures numbers converge, you will be seeing one side trending move. Okay, and that is what it happened today. And this is a weekly game changer number. Anyway, I'm going to go to that numbers, and we are going to discuss that. Okay, so 917, I gave this number, and it was a rocker today, and we made very good money in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and Reliance was our cream today. Okay, so now the second page, something cooking in pharma. Metals are a little bit weak because market was doing good. But anyway, I don't have any worry on the metals. I'm still holding. I will continue to hold. Okay. So now all these numbers reached. I don't want to talk about all that. It went and touched 16,840 from 16,666. Okay. And Bank Nifty, yes, full-time rocker. All the target achieved. And if you go to weekly, bull side above 16,678, which is our weekly pivot number. It went and achieved till 16,840, and another 3 more targets are yet to come. And coming to Bank Nifty, above 34,956 till up to 35,344 is achieved, and I'm expecting another 2. But watch out for these 2 number. Watch out for this 2 number. It is very, very critical. I will show you in the chart also. So watch these 2 number. Okay, any close above this number, it's a big breakout on the Bank Nifty. And so this is what we discussed yesterday, right? Not only yesterday. I think I made a video on Saturday night 1:30, and I published only next day after the webinar. So you can go and watch that. And coming to tomorrow, okay, I've already marked the high and low of 13th, March 13th. March 13th was holiday, so you all know which is March 14th. So high and low I already mentioned for Bank Nifty and Nifty. And tomorrow, 14th done and dusted. TCD minimum quota done today, which is 215 Nifty and 715 Bank Nifty. And again, mark today's high and low, which is very, very crucial. Any move above today's high and holds for at least 1 hour, you'll be seeing another 250 points rally, bare minimum 250 points rally in Nifty, another 750 to 1000 points rally in Bank Nifty. Any close below today's low, the same, ulta, 250 points downside on the low, and 750 points minimum downside on today's low, if it close below today's low. Okay, watch that. And this was the real beauty. Anyway, I'm going to show that in chart. It was a real beauty. And today, Nifty and Bank Nifty closed above our weekly pivot number. Our weekly pivot number is here. Our weekly pivot number is in the first line. Okay, closed above, and it is closed above 20th December high, which was our mega date. Okay, if you go back and watch my video of yesterday, I have discussed everything about this. So it is very good sign as of now. Let's see. Now I'm hoping that this trend should continue at least till 17, because 18 we have holiday. So at least till 17, till the expiry. Then you all know I've talked about the mega date in the video, yesterday's video. You can go and watch that. Let's see whether it is going upper side till it holds today's low. Okay, so that is our main thing. So you can leave this, and tomorrow's number I've clearly given here. You can watch this number for tomorrow. Nifty spot, Bank Nifty spot, Nifty future, and Bank Nifty future. Okay, so all the numbers I've already given here, and clearly I mentioned this number. Price reversal zone is 35721 to 35937. Watch these 2 number. Watch this 2 number. Okay, right. So now we'll go to the chart and we will see what happened. Okay, so let's go to Nifty. Yeah, Bank Nifty. So this was our weekly game changer number, which is the buy number, and this is sell number. So once it closed above, these are 15 minutes closing basis. Once it closed above, it rocked. Okay, it rocked. Again, coming to Nifty, morning it was a little bit of turbulence in the morning, but it is not close to below our weekly bearish number, which is 16630. It is only 8 points difference, 8 points difference. Okay. And I marked this blue color line and this red color line is the high and low of first 15 minutes high and low. That was our criteria on trend change date. It is not only for Nifty or Bank Nifty. This is applicable even for stocks on TCD date. Kindly watch that video which I posted on stocks and dates video, where I discussed more on TCD date stocks. Okay, so now if I remove this, which is the 15 minutes high and this 15 minutes low, this is our weekly game changer number. Okay, and market opened here 9:15 and 9:30 it closed at 16631, and this candle, the low was 16007, but it is not close to below this number. It has to close below this number at least for 15 minutes, and from there it is non-stop rally. Non-stop rally. So now again I'm saying, whenever you are watching my monthly game changer number or the weekly game changer number, when the width of the bullish number and the bearish number is very small, it is going to trend one side big time. Okay, and this is what happened today in Nifty. So it respected this number, even though it is only 8 points gap. It respected that number 16630. So till it doesn't close below 16630 for this week, we don't need to worry about Nifty, right? But you use my intraday number as well as my weekly number for your positional long, and use your own technical analysis to entry and exit and trial the stop loss and all that. Okay, right. So now I'm closing this also. Okay, so this is a very important number. I've already marked it in my PPT. So it closed about 20th December high, which is 35231. In between, I put the video also. If it closed above this number, it is bullish when it comes to Bank Nifty. Okay, so now then come to Nifty. It closed about 20th December high, which is 16,840, and my number is 16,940, which is very, very crucial for me. So I am watching this number very closely for tomorrow. Okay, and I've already given all the targets, so you can go and check in my PPT for the daily targets. Okay, so now I'm closing this. Okay, now coming to bigger picture. You all know this is what I covered last week based on daily. It took the exact support from the pitchfork bottom, and from there it moved up. So now there may be a resistance on the upper side trend line, but today I made a photo and then I've sent it when it broke the trend line, this blue color trend line, and exactly that our number was there, which is 66678, which is our weekly pivot number, and it was a good move today. And let's see what happens around 17,086 level tomorrow. Okay, or maybe this trend line level. Let's watch. And based on Ichimoku, I've already given one timing for Nifty to watch for tomorrow, and another timing for Bank Nifty, and that happens on 16th. For Nifty, it is 15th. I've already given the hourly candle to watch, and for Bank Nifty, it is on 16th. So if you want, I will again post it in the PPT today. Okay, so coming to this, so as of now, nothing to worry. Let's watch 17,074 level or 17,036 level somewhere here, and you can watch all these numbers. This is resistance, everything will be given in the PPT in the second page. Okay, so now I'm closing this. Coming to Bank Nifty, yes, there is one resistance which is itching me now. If I connect this trend line, this bottom, and these two tops, yes, it has touched exactly that trend line and it closed below. But I am not worried till it holds this number at least 35 to 31, or I've already given others number until my weekly pivot number is held. I don't need to worry about. But these two numbers are very, very crucial. So you need to watch out for these two numbers, which is 35,937 and 35,721. Watch out for this. If it breaks, yes, all the way possibility is 36,864. Okay, 36,864. Let's see whether it is going to do another 1,200, 1,300 points from here. So only Bank Nifty, this trend line is itching me. If it breaks tomorrow and then holds for at least 15 minutes, that is more than enough. Anyway, we are able to capture this entire points today, me and my subscribers, and thank God, Reliance was amazing today. So Bank Nifty is fine, even though the chart works pretty well for me, but I follow numbers. Market respects those numbers pretty well. Okay, so now Bank Nifty is fine. And coming to Nifty, and this was our today's positional thing. And today morning it opened here. This is in 1 minute chart. Opened here, came down, and I'll make a video on this timing, 9:46 timing. Something miracle happened in my indicator, and from there it was a 1 minute cakewalk. Exactly came and touched the blue here, respected this blue, again went up, went up, went up, and it closed here. So we are able to capture. There is no even one single red candle in this whole moment. So we are able to capture the full rally today. Let's see how it opens. And I've covered my positional chart in the morning. I'm in long, and today only after a very long time I've taken long position home. Okay, so this is Nifty, and see this beauty. Lens was always amazing in my indicator. Okay, so this has given a buy call here around 2283. This happened on 28th February. These are 5 minutes. And the sell came here, 2372, went exactly, touched my resistance on the blue number on the top side. See, whenever it becomes red, it will face resistance on the red and blue. Whenever it is in green, this red and blue will act as a support. So again, from here, 2372, all the way came down till here, 2186, but we will be covering only here, which is 2236, and 8th March was the buy call, and there is no red color candle, and today it closed at 2422, and intraday we picked up today at 2388, and that also worked well. So a simple 5 minutes candle works magic, and you can able to capture the entire trend with my indicator. So that's how it works. Fine. Today, it was a miracle, and the trend change gate really worked for us. Let's see, what we can do after the 22nd mega day, right? So again, saying don't watch, other markets, to trade our market. So if you're afraid to take any position, simply close the position at 330. Come back tomorrow. Market will give you a lot of opportunity. See, it has given a lot of opportunity here also. It came, touched the blue, went up. Even Nifty, if you take, it came. Even if you missed here, it gave opportunity here. Even your indicator, your technical, analysis also will be giving some kind of a buy here, and the buy here was 16729. Here, this blue color line, 12729, and from there, it has easily done 150 points, and it closed at today's at the highest point. Even Reliance also closed at the very highest point. Okay, so now fine, this we will close it off. Let's come to PPT again. No. I want to cover one thing. Just a minute. Okay, so now in my all indices, at a glance, that video, I covered these three. Dow Jones. This one day. So Dow Jones I covered, S&P I covered, okay, and Nasdaq I covered. Okay, so now I've already mentioned that Nasdaq is at a very, very crucial stage, and it should not close below this week low, because the sell is initiated. Now, if it holds this sell low, which is last week low, and based on Ichimoku also, I've done a detailed video and I've sent it to you. Kindly go watch. So if it holds yesterday's low, then there is no problem for Nifty because my sell has come. If it holds today this low, then possibility of U-turn. If it breaks last week low, then we are in critical problem. It is not only based on my indicator, it is also based on Ichimoku study. So watch out for this. This guy has to sustain this week, above last week low, which is 13129.4, and watch this guy on 29th. Again, I'm saying, I'm not saying that it is going to rock from there, but I am saying you just to mark the high and low of 29th March, because this is very, very powerful. That's why it is blue color. Okay. So 29th March, mark the high and low of 29th March in FB, right? If it breaks 29th high, simply buy with the stop loss of 29th low. If it breaks 29th low, simply sell with the stop loss of 29th high. Watch this guy on 29th. Don't miss this guy. Okay. Let's hope for the best for this, because many people are holding this company. Let's hope for the best. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly consult your financial advisors before investing in any stocks, any financial instrument for that matter. See, I'm putting a lot of videos for you people. You can comment it, whether it is good, bad, ugly. I'm ready to take it. At least you can put a like. Okay. So after seeing the video, it takes only a minute to press the like button if you like it, because more than 80 90 people are seeing or 100 people are seeing, I'm getting only one like. Even if you don't like, put don't like. At least I will try to do something better. If you don't give any comment, then I don't know, seriously. Even if you dislike, you put dislike. You don't like it, no problem, but do something. Okay. Thanks a lot. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night.